Hi, welcome to Wednesday's math lesson 10.3. We're going to do Math Journal page 239 today. And then I also have a little lesson after that. But on page 239, you only need to do numbers 1, 3, 4, and 6. So number 1 wants you to talk about how many pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters are in $3. So I'm going to show you how to do it in $4 or in $1 and then see if you can figure it out. Sometimes remember, if you do a problem that's a little bit lesser, then you can figure it out for a problem that's a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to use this space because we're not going to do number 2 today. So how many pennies are in $1? Well, we have talked about this all year using the calendar, and hopefully you all remember there are 100 pennies in $1. Now nickels, I'm just going to count by 5s to see and make tally marks. So nickels in $1. So I'm going to start with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, $1. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20 nickels in $1. So now you're going to figure out how many nickels are there for $3. Dimes, I'm going to do the same thing with tally marks. I know how to count by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excuse me. So you have 5, 10 dimes in $1. So now how many do you have for $3? Quarters, oh, we've been doing this all year. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. So 25, 50, 75, $1. And we know there are 4 quarters in $1. So now you just have to figure out how many quarters are there in $3. Okay? All right, skipping number 2, we're headed to number 3. This is our double frames and arrows. We have not done one of these, as I recall, for a little while. So you need to make sure you know what the solid arrow rule is. And in my case, I did +10. Your math journal is a little different, but I just wanted to show you. The dotted arrow is a -1. So if I'm starting with 20 and I have my solid arrow, that means +10. Remember, if you need to, write it up above. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Then my dotted arrow is a -1. So 30 minus 1 is 29. Then I have a solid arrow, which is, again, was a +10. So 29 plus 10 is 39. And then I have my dotted, which is a -1. 39 minus 1 is 38, okay? You have a little bit different numbers, a little bit bigger, so good luck with it. Then number 4, they want you to see the pattern. We've kind of been working on this during the year. So I'm gonna use different numbers, but so you can kind of see how they're working with the pattern. 6 minus 3 is 3. So if you know 6 minus 3 is 3, then you know what equals 60 minus 30, which would be 30. 600 minus 300, we're going to follow the pattern. So now we're in the hundreds, so it's going to be 300. And then we're headed into the thousands. What equals 9,000 minus 3,000? Oh, I made a mistake there. That should be a 6. What equals 6,000 minus 3,000? And that would be 3,000. Hopefully you see the pattern with that when you go to do yours. No, your numbers will be different. You're going to skip number 5, and then number 6 wants you to draw an array. I believe your array is an 8x4. I'm going to do a 7x3 just to remind you. So it means you are going to have 7 rows with 3 in each row. And is it okay if you did 3 rows with 7 each row? Of course, because we know multiplication you can go either way with it. So, but I'm going to do 7 rows with 3 in each row. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, how many rows do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. I need 1 more row with 3. Okay, that's drawing your array. All right, now I'm going to switch this out, and I may have to move my camera a little bit so that you can see better. But we talked yesterday about kind of it's not truly a new skill, but it's just presented in a different way for you. So let's take a look. If you have $5.24, what I want you to do is just look at that 24. Is that 20? And let me see if I can get this so that the glare isn't on there. There we go. $5.24. Is it closer to $5.20 or $5.30? So look at that 24 and think about, where would I round that? Okay. And hopefully you said $5.20. Number 2, $1.21. Is it closer to $1.20 or $1.30? So looking at that 21, what would that 21 be closer to if you were going to round or estimate it? $1.20. Great. Okay, we have 2 more. $4.26. Is it closer to $4.20 or $4.30? Remember now, where are you going to look? $4.30. Awesome, because it's that 26. And our last one, $7.48. Is it closer to $7.40 or $7.50? Think about where you're going to look, and then how are you going to round it? $7.50. Okay, I hope this is getting easier because you do know you're rounding really well, and they just wanted to present it in a different kind of format, and it'll be like this on your test that you take. So, all right, let me know if there are any questions. Have a great Wednesday.